Introducing the Oasis. Our beautifully crafted freeform fiberglass swimming pool is all set to splash excitement into your backyard. With curvy edges and a deep end stretching up to 7 feet 11 inches, it promises endless joy and room for everyone, from the little kiddos to the entire family. The Oasis stands out, not just because of its aesthetic charm, but due to its outside-the-lines personality. We classify it as a freeform pool, and boy, does it live up to that title. Its unique curves offer distinct sitting positions, complete with a cozy bench seat and elegantly curved entry steps. Want more? Spice it up. Add water slides, shoot some hoops, spike a volleyball, or just relax with some chic outdoor furniture. Whatever your summer vibe is, the Oasis is ready to match it and elevate it. So, are you ready to dive into unparalleled pool fun? Contact us to get in touch with one of our dealers. We'd love to give you a free estimate today. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.